Hey guys, this is Rich here from Rich Picks Daily, and I wanted to bring you all the picks on my watch list that are on fire right now. Golden Leaf Holdings, a pick that I brought you guys, and I did a video earlier today, is up 27% at 30 cents on news that they just got their license. OGEN is a pick that we talk about in our group chat, and it's at 90 cents, up 25%. ALEF at $2.99, up 25%. HIPH, another pick that we've been talking about in our group chat, our secret group chat. If you want to contact me, just contact me at richtvlive@gmail.com. I will send you links to our direct group chats. HIPH is up 28%. KALY at 60.5 cents and climbing up 22%. QCC, another pick in our group chat at 30 cents, up 15%. TerraSen, TER, up 14%. GTEC Holdings, GGTTF at 92 cents, up 12%. Liberty Health, LHS, up 12%. Crop Infrastructure at 64 cents, up 10%, and Namaste Technologies on news that they got their license, up 10% at $3.76, just to name a few. Now, what we like to do here at Rich TV Live is we buy in the red, we don't buy in the green. So if you're looking for an opportunity, take a look at some of the ones that are in the red. You may find an opportunity there, okay? We look for opportunities that are bathed in blood. That's the secret. Find good companies, build a watch list. This is investing.com. It's absolutely free. You can see all the ones that are red today and build a watch list. And then when you see the red of your favorite stock, buy it in the red. When you see that it's in the green, sell in the green. Have no emotions, learn to trade like that, and you too can be a winner. Okay? This is Rich Picks Daily. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Every time we have any picks that are trending, any news that's happening in the market, we'll bring it to you first every single day, absolutely free. Remember, buy in the red, sell in the green. That's the Rich system, okay? If you want to learn more, you can go to www.richtvlive.com. Everything is absolutely free. Hover over stocks. All the tools I use every day, absolutely free, are right there. And if you want to contact me, you can actually follow us and join our group chat on Slack. You can join us on YouTube, Instagram. You can listen to our podcast, follow us and see our picks daily on Discord, follow us and see our picks daily on Facebook. Follow our membership of 30,000 members on LinkedIn. We are literally everywhere. This is your boy Rich, bringing you the winners. Rich Picks Daily. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about some of these picks. What picks are you watching? Drop it in the comment section. If I like your picks, I'll give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'm out. Peace.